Hello everyone, my name is Anne. Before I teach you some computer skills, I need to introduce the function of the right button. When you click the right button, you will see some functions that right button can do. For example, you can add something or change something with these functions. I will teach you guys later. Now I'm going to teach you how to add folders. First, click the right button on desktop and click the left button to choose new. After that, click the left button, add folder, and you will see a new folder on desktop. By the way, we save the folder on desktop so that we can find it faster. Now we need to name the folder. You can type anything you want and press Enter key. The Enter key is on the right side of the keyboard, just here. And we can use the folder to save photos or any others. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.